So today I wanted to film my favorite fall makeup look. So this is going to be a full face. I'm sorry if I'm out of breath. I've been working a lot and stuff and I've just sat down to film this, so that's why. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is use my Makeup Forever foundation on a wet beauty blender. So I'm just going to put it on the beauty blender and then I'm going to dot it on my face. Just using a palette mirror to do this. So I'm just going to blend this all in. I'm kind of getting some breakouts, so I'm going to do my best to cover those. I'm just going to kind of come in with my hands on my nose and stuff around that area and blend this more. I think where I'm dealing with some dry skin, it's not blending as well in that area, so I've kind of been having to use my hands to blend better. Next up, I'm going to take my NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer and put that on my eyes and on any spots. Then I'm just going to use the Beauty Blender to blend that in. So after that, I'm going to start on eyes, and I'm going to be using the Roxy Ride or Die palette. And I'm just going to start with a Moda M19 brush. And I'm going to start with the color, I think I'm going to start with Firework and put that on my lid. Then I'm going to switch to an Elizabeth Mott blending brush, and I'm going to take Gingerbread and use that to blend out. Next up, I'm going to take a smudger brush, and I'm going to take some more of Gingerbread and just go under my eyes. I'm only going to go halfway and then use my finger to kind of blend that in a little. After that, I'm going to take a slanted Luxie brush, and I'm going to take the color Iconic, and I'm just going to use that to highlight. So next up, I'm going to do my face. So I'm going to take the IT Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. Next up, I am going to do some contouring. So I'm going to be using the Roxxsaurus contour and highlight palette. And I use this color right here. As you can see, it's like down to the bottom of the pan. So I'm just going to take that to contour with. After I've put that on, I'm going to take my Zoella ColourPop Pressed Powder Blush in Soulmate, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks. And then I'm going to go back to the Roxxolores palette, and I'm just going to use the same brush because I don't have another one in here because I forgot. And then I'm just going to take this yellowy highlight and just use that on my cheeks. Then I'm going to do my brows. So I'm going to take the Benefit Give Me Good Brow and put that through my brows. After that, I'm going to do mascara. So I'm going to be using the Marcella Extension Plus Curl Mascara. Last but not least, I'm going to do lips. So on my lips, I'm going to be using the Mellow Matte Liquid Lip Paint in Ibiza. This is kind of just like a nudie color. And this, you guys, is the finished look. I've been loving nudie colors and like more kind of neutral tones for the fall. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments. And I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!